southwestern Monmouth, northwestern Burlington, eastern Gloucester, eastern Bucks, Somerset, Mercer, southern Hunterdon, and central Camden counties. At 5:49 a.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was reported capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Lumberville to Medford to 10 miles south of Olivet, or along a line extending from 20 miles northwest of Trenton to 18 miles east of Camden to 6 miles west of Millville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Jobstown, Columbus, Morrisville, and Trenton by 6 a.m., Georgetown, Crosswicks, Yardville, Groveville, and Wrightstown by 6:05 a.m., Skillman and Edinburgh by 6:10 a.m. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 a.m. Friday morning for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey and southeast Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Monmouth, and Somerset. The National